So it just doesn't show up on the site though? Because it didn't even show up.
Yeah, that happens to a lot of people, sadly enough.
What does that mean? So you guys don't show the card? I don't understand. I've been on here for $100 gift card! Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things skincare and beauty related. And today I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along the ride because I was told by a little birdie who works at Sephora that's is it Mondays and Thursdays or Tuesdays and Thursdays? Sephora has this thing for Rouge members that if you have over, I think it's 2,500 points, you could win a $100 gift certificate to Sephora. So they had advised me to log in around the time it's going live. It's 11:47 a.m. now. And I'm just going to try to score this $100 gift certificate. So I figured I would bring you guys along the way so you guys can see how it works. If you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys.
Thank you for calling Sephora.
I'm calling Sephora because
transferring you now to a Sephora beauty advisor.
Because whoever gave me this phone number told me that I should call in advance, so I'm trying to really get all hands on deck today. Hi, I'm calling to inquire about the Sephora $100 gift card that is offered on like Mondays and Thursdays, I believe.
So are you using an app or your computer?
I'm using my computer now.
Yeah, so it's better when you use the computer.
Good.
With the help of your mouse. Okay, so so redemption will start at 9 a.m. Pacific. So you're a little bit too early, but you can actually try. You just go to the rewards bazaar section.
All right, I'm in there.
And then you just try to refresh. So if you happen to see the Rouge Reward 100, just go straight, click on it and go straight directly to checkout.
Do I need to buy anything to use this today?
No.
Do you think you could help me on your end? Because doesn't it sell out really quick?
We don't have that access anymore. Before, we can actually assist the clients to redeem, but we don't have that access anymore.
All right.
My tip would be keep on refreshing.
Does it come early sometime?
Sometimes.
Will it be on top of the page?
Some of the clients would tell that sometimes it comes like a few minutes early. So it's like 5 minutes before 9 a.m. Pacific. So.
Okay, sounds good. Now it'll be at the top, or do I have to scroll through for it?
Yes. Should be on the top.
Okay. Do you know what color it is?
Okay.
Wait, I'm sorry. Do you know what color it is so I could have my eyes out for it? There's just so many products on this page. So I'm going into Shop Rewards Bazaar.
Morgan, yeah. So it's like a money bill with 25, 50, or 100. It's just like black and white.
It's not like it doesn't look like a black wallet, right? Because there's one that says Beauty Insiders stack your cards to 50 points. That's not it, right?
No, not that one.
I'll know it when I see it. Like if I use my points now, that won't affect my maintaining my Rouge status. Okay.
No. You're being Rouge, no.
Freaking the fuck out, guys. Where is it? I want to win this now. What's happening? I'm not playing, you guys. I hope you can see my screen and what I'm doing. Are you seeing it? Like, what if I'm scrolling past it? 12:02, I'm not seeing anything. Where the frig is it? No, I don't want a picture frame. I want a $100 gift card so I can go buy La Mer. And I'm gonna go back in. I'm freaking out, you guys. Oh my God. I don't see it. They said it comes early. I've been on here. I'm calling them back because I don't see it. Hi, I'm on your website right now trying to redeem the $100 gift card, and it's not popping up for me. And I keep refreshing my page.
A lot of people have issues ordering them. So many people flood the site right at 9 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And even though it isn't a physical product, there is a limited amount that can be purchased. So if you did miss out, unfortunately, there is nothing I'm able to do about that.
So it just doesn't show up on the site though? Because it didn't even show up.
Yeah, that happens to a lot of people, sadly enough.
What does that mean? So you guys don't show the card? I don't understand. I've been on here since 10 minutes. Hold on, sir. Okay, I just placed the order for the $100 Rogue reward. We got it.
Able to find it?
It's ordered. Check your inbox shortly. Oh, here it is. Oh my God.
She ended up getting it.
I got it. Oh my God. I just made beauty happen. I was just panicking because I was like sitting here and refreshing for like 10 minutes and I'm like, oh my God, did I miss this? Like what? But we got it. We got it. Woo! It's 12:08. So I've been sitting here since 12:50 or no, 11:50, and I've just been refreshing and refreshing and refreshing.
It didn't show up right at the 12 o'clock mark for me, I think.
Nope, it showed up at 12:08. I did it! I started panicking because, like you guys saw, I just kept like refreshing and refreshing and refreshing. So you need to have 2,500 points to get this $100 gift certificate. It's not gonna affect any of your Rouge statuses. I think this is only applied to Rouge members. I don't know if lesser amounts are applied to other people. I think, as I said, 25, 50, and 100 or something like that. So if you are not Rouge, but you're VIB or something, you might still have access to something. But what I wanna say is they say 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and then I'm Eastern Time, so I was 12 o'clock. Some of the times it comes early, some of the times it comes late, so just stay on there, keep refreshing. You guys, I got $100. So you guys know what I'm gonna do with that? I'm gonna go probably buy my 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗜𝗔𝗟 with my $100 gift card! Yes! Today is a win. Everybody, thanks so much. Comment down below. Let me know if this worked out for you. Hopefully this video like helps you guys and makes you more aware of like, hello, you could actually use your Sephora points to something good actually, rather than the little samples that they give you. And let me know your thoughts. Subscribe, comment below, share with your friends, and I love you guys till the next time. Mwah.